discuss about the next topics of the chapter Polynomial 9th Standard Mathematics Part 1st. Next theorem is that Remainder Theorem and Factor Theorem. And we discuss about the next practice set 3.5. Now what is meant by these two theorem? First one is remainder. Remainder, if the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Means it is the same as the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equals to minus a. This is called as the remainder theorem. Okay, then the factor theorem. If p of x is the polynomial of degree n is greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is the factor of p of x. Means if the remainder is p of a is equals to 0. Means that remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Conversely, we write here, if p of a is equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. Okay, we take the practice set 3.5. Okay student, we take the first example of the practice set 3.5. The question first, find the values of the polynomial twice x minus twice x cube plus 7 using the given values of this x. X is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 0. Now its solution is, so simple question students. Now first, I have taken the polynomial p of x is equals to twice x minus twice x cube plus 7. For this, x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. Now, we have to substitute the value of p of 3 here. Means that x is equals to 3. Therefore, p of 3 is equals to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 into student 3 cube. Means that 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 plus 7. Then student 6 minus this value becomes 54 plus 7. Then the subtraction is, here is, when we subtract here it becomes minus 48. Then this plus 7, again this is minus 41. Okay, now this is the value of this p of 3. Therefore we have to write the value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial is answer the value of the given polynomial for x is equals to 3 is minus 41. Then we take for second one is for x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, p of x is given twice x minus twice x cube plus 7. Here is twice into minus 1 minus twice into minus 1 cube plus 7. Twice into minus 1 is minus 2. Then minus 2 into minus 1 cube is also minus 1. Then plus 7. This is minus 2, minus minus plus 2 plus 7. Mean that there is minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled is equals to 7. So this value is for p of minus 1. Therefore the answer for this one is answer. The value of the given polynomial. For x is equals to minus 1 is 7. Then third one is have to substitute the value of x is equal to 0, mean that p of 0 is equals to 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0 cube plus 7. Now student, 2 into 0 is 0, this value is also 0 and plus 7, therefore this is 7. The answer in full sentence, therefore answer, the value of polynomial for x is equals to 0 is how much? 7. Okay, we take the next question. Okay, the question second is that for each of the following polynomials, find p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. The first polynomial is p of x is equals to x cube. Now we have to find out all values of these three polynomials here. Its solution is, first one is, the given polynomial is p of x is equals to x cube. Then for this first, I have to find out p of 1. Means you have to put the value of x as 1, then 1 cube is 1. Therefore the answer is p of 1 is equals to how much? 1. Then second one is p of 0. Now is equals to, we have to put this value here, mean that p of 0 means 0's cube is equals to how much? 0. Therefore the answer is p of 0 is equals to 0. Then third case, here is p of minus 2. We have to put the value of x as minus 2. Here is minus 2 cube is equals to, minus 2 cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus minus plus, again minus, mean that plus minus minus, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore the answer in full sentence, p of minus 2 is equals to minus 8. We take the next question. Okay student, then there are three sub questions in question second. Now question second sub question is for your homework. I have taken here. Third one is so simple. Its solution is, p of x is given here, x raised to 4 minus twice x square minus x. Now first for this value p of 1 is equals to question mark. Therefore I have to substitute this value p of 1 is equals to into this polynomial 1 raised to 4 minus 2 into 1 square minus 1. 1 raised to 4 is 1 minus 2 into 1 square is 1, means that 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Student, this subtraction is 4 minus 2 becomes 2 minus 1 becomes how much? 1. Mean that answer p of 1 is equals to also 1. Then for this second case, we have to find out p of 0 is equals to question mark. Now the polynomial is p of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus twice x square minus x. Then we have to find out p of 0 is equals to 0 raised to 4 minus 2 into 0 square minus 0. Student, 0 raised to 4 means 0 minus 2 into 0 square is 0, means that 0 minus 0 is equals to how much? 0. Answer in full sentence, therefore p of 0 is equals to 0. Then student, third case, we have to find out the value of p of minus 2 is equals to question mark. P of x, the polynomial is given x raised to 4 minus twice x square minus x. We substitute the value of p of minus 2 here, mean that minus 2 raised to 4 minus 2 into minus 2 raised to square minus 2. Take bracket for this minus 2. Then student, minus 2 raised to 4 means the product of minus 2 4 times. Then minus 2 into minus 2 is minus minus plus 4. Then plus 4 again into minus 2 becomes minus 8. Then again minus 8 into minus 2 is plus 16. So that this minus 2 raised to 4 becomes 16. Then this also plus, minus 2 square is plus 4. 4 2s are minus 8. Then minus minus plus. Subtraction is 8 plus 2 becomes how much? 10. Therefore, the answer in full sentence P of minus 2 is equals to 10. Okay, we take the next question. The next question, question 3 is, if the value of the polynomial m cube plus twice m plus a is 12, for m is equals to 2, then find the value of a. So simple question, look carefully its solution. Now here is the polynomial is given p of m is equals to m cube plus twice m plus a. Then p of 2 is also given, here is 12. Now therefore here is p of 2 is equals to, here is we have to substitute the value of m is 2, means that 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus a. But this p of 2 is 12, so I have to substitute here 12 is equals to 2 cube is 8 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 8. Student, 8 plus 4 becomes 12, therefore 12 is equals to 12 plus a. Then this 12 transposed to this another side, 12 minus 12 is equals to a, 0 is equals to a, therefore a is equals to 0. Therefore the answer in full sentence, answer, the value of a is 0. Okay, we take next question. The next question is question number 4. For the polynomial mx square minus twice x plus 3, if p of minus 1 is 7, then find m. Now its solution is, student, here is given p of minus 1 is equals to 7 and the polynomial p of x is equals to mx square minus twice x plus 3. So we have to put this value of x is minus 1, p of minus 1 is equals to m into minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. P of minus 1 is given, here is 7 is equals to m into minus 1 square is plus 1, then minus minus plus 2, then plus 3, then 7 is equals to m into 1 is m plus 5. This 5 transpose here, 7 minus 5 is equals to m, then 2 is equals to m, therefore m is equals to how much? 2. Therefore the answer in full sentence, answer, therefore the value of m